Hey everyone, Morgan here. So I'm going to show you all the preps that I got for April of 2024, and I'm going to be doing this every month. Instead of showing you the preps that I got every week or every day or whatever, I'm just going to show you everything that I got in a month, and I actually wrote it all down. It's pretty amazing. I'm so organized these days. So I'm going to be showing you pictures and videos as it comes across the screen of these things that I bought instead of like I'm actually reading from my list. And you are going to notice this was pretty heavy on food this month. Normally I'm a lot more diverse in my preps, but this month was very heavy on food because we're coming from Alaska back down to Texas, and we did have to get rid of a lot of food in order to come back down. So I wanted to just try to re-up and get some, a good selection of food, okay? Okay, so here we go. I got a big bag of cornstarch, I Mylar bag 347, I Mylar bag 342 ounce oats, a freeze dry, whatever I freeze dry, I consider that part of my preps. So I did a bunch of shredded carrots and avocado, and I did some fruits, and I'm doing a lot of stuff here. My freeze dry hasn't been running as much as I want, but this is all part of my preps. So I did two 32-ounce macaroni pastas. I Mylar bagged that. I Mylar bagged two big bags of black beans from Costco. I Mylar bagged 25 pounds of rice, and then I Mylar bagged another 11 pounds of rice. I Mylar bagged a big, this is 25 pounds of pinto beans. I got some canned tuna and canned chicken from Costco. We did get some water. Water I really need to up. We need way more water. Like I said, I've really been focused on food, but we got water, diapers, wipes for the upcoming baby in a few months, coffee. So I have been getting a lot of coffee. I got several coffees here. This coffee, I'm getting ready because I'm not drinking coffee while I'm pregnant. I haven't for all of my children. It's just something I've done. I felt strongly about. So when I give birth, I'll have lots of coffee. I get it basically once or twice a month. I get lots of coffee. So we did get a new solo stove. That was something I couldn't bring down as well. I got this for super cheap off of Facebook Marketplace, and I'm so excited to get it and start using it again to like cook over and just have some fires and have fun with it. I do consider the solo stove part of my preps because this is an alternative cooking method for me. Okay, so I got some alcohol wipes. Oh, I realized that we just didn't have any, and I was like, where did all my alcohol wipes go? So I got a big box of them. Witch hazel, I got a couple witch hazels. I've been using that to like wipe my face a lot. So witch hazel is just really good for a lot of stuff. Ramen, I mean, self-explanatory. You gotta have ramen in your preps. Butter powder. I got 4 lemon juices. I really like to have this around. These lemon juices will last much longer past their best by dates, but I like to make sure I have them on hand, and I can always freeze dry them. So I got this flour book, how to actually make flour. How to make bread from ground flour. And I got this because this was important to me. I get a lot of, wheat berries. So I want to make sure that I have a book. I have not been able to find a book. And This Prepared Life, Allison from This Prepared Life, recommended this book to me, and it is exactly what I need. I got some garden stuff. I got some plants, and this is absolutely part of my preps. The blueberries, the apple trees, these are part of my preps. Perennials and just growing food in general is absolutely part of my preps. I also got some more seeds from Survival Garden Seeds. I got a Dutch oven. This was a really big purchase, actually. This was a Dutch oven. This can be used over the solo stove. And this was one of the reasons I wanted to get it, because I can use it over the solo stove. But I love the Dutch ovens. This is a camp Dutch oven. I can use this indoors if I absolutely must. It's a real big one though. I have been getting canned foods, but a lot of the canned foods that we've been actually eating. So that's kind of slowing down a little bit, so I'm going to start putting like one away, here at a little bit and start building that up a little bit. Our canned food selection is not huge at this moment. I got this manual slicer. It is honestly so amazing. I've used it so many times for carrots and potatoes and just lots of things, and I love it. So we homeschooling, and that is part of our preps as well. I'm getting ready for Ember's 3rd grade and Archer's kindergarten. So, we got a lot of stuff for them, and this is still stuff that we use. Like there's still 2nd grade and stuff, but we're kind of ending the 2nd grade. You know, we got a bunch of new stuff for them to get ready for the new year. We homeschool year round, so we'll just kind of like transition into the next grade whenever we feel that they're ready. But yeah, we got a lot of stuff. We got games and a lot of really fun games for our kids. But homeschooling is definitely part of our preps and making sure that we have plenty of supplies and things for them. So as you can see, it was pretty heavy on food, and that was really on purpose. I think the last thing I want to say that I'm really prepared for is the baby. So this is our baby room right now. We got our stroller, we got our crib, we got, you know, a changing table and this rocker, the glider. We are getting diapers about once or twice a month, so we're really planning for that baby to be totally ready and prepared. I'm really happy to have all this stuff, and guess what? I got all this stuff from Facebook Marketplace. So cheap, dirt cheap. And then all these clothes came from Once Upon a Child. It's a kind of chain, you know, I got them, like most of them, for like $1 or $2 a piece. Super cheap. And thank you all so much for watching. I'm going to be doing this every month. So for the previous month, so for April, I got all these preps, and now I'm starting to write my preps already that I've gotten for May, and it's only like a few days in, but I've already gotten a couple things. So thank you all so much for watching Conquer Tomorrow by Preparing Today. I'll talk to you all later. Bye.